Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Cancer. Page of Wands reversed, the Sun, Queen of Cups, Six of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Cancers, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are happy where you are right now. You feel you have everything in your life, maybe material gifts, your work, your house, properties, something like that. So you have everything and you're feeling contentment in that. So you're well settled, guys, and you feel whatever work you are putting in, you are getting the necessary results, and you're happy how things are going that way, guys. And your person, they are very much devoted to you, they love you a lot, and they what to say, they are there for you, they see you as a gift for them in their life. In this relationship, you have a very good understanding with this person, they love you for what you are, guys. They have a deep connection with you, and they enjoy your company, they love being there with you, and they feel really fortunate to be in this relationship with you, guys. So something is progressing, maybe you're in your relationship, things are progressing the way you want, you feel you are reaching some kind of success, and you feel that hope in your heart and happiness because of that. So that is the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you may be deciding on something, maybe you're deciding on this relationship, or maybe something regarding your work. You are in the verge of making some decisions and you do not know what to do, so you're just waiting, taking your time to see how things are unfolding for you. So some kind of waiting energy is there with these cards, guys. You are not yet decided about something, but this person is very devoted to you. Maybe you're waiting to decide about this relationship, whether you want to take it forward. That may be the reason here. You are really happy for how things are going with this person. Maybe that may be the reason that you want to take it forward. So you are just thinking within yourself, reflecting within yourself what you want to do, and you feel you are very fortunate today. This person feels they are very fortunate to be with you, guys, for your achievements, or how your life is going, how the way you're planning things ahead, and they feel really happy because of that. They feel really happy to be in this relationship because of that. So that is the energy with these cards, Cancers. And maybe for some of you all, this person may accept marriage proposal if you propose to them. This may be your energy towards this relationship, or their energy, guys. So they are ready to accept your proposal if you are doing it. So that is the energy here, Cancers. Let us see what we are getting with the other set of cards here, guys. What is the energy of your person towards this relationship? Choices, stock, clover, Moon. Anchor. So very positive set of cards here, Cancers. Maybe this person wants you to propose to them. They have made their choice and they are happy they have made this choice, and something new is coming into your life. Maybe in work or in this relationship, you may want to propose to this person and take and start a new beginning in your life. And some great opportunity is also coming your way. Maybe this marriage or regarding your work, some new opportunity, something very lucky, something you were expecting for a long time now, and it is coming all of a sudden, guys, and you may want to use it immediately because it's not going to last long. And for few of you all, you are celebrating something, some kind of victory, maybe this new opportunity that is coming your way, or maybe this person coming to propose to you. Whatever it is, you are feeling really happy today. Some kind of victory is there today for you all. You feel a sense of gratification because you have achieved something today. Something is completing, maybe in your work, some projects or some commitments or some responsibilities that you had, you are finishing that. That may be the energy here. Or in this relationship, because this person is proposing to you or you are proposing to them and they are accepting that proposal, that may also be the energy here. So things are going in a happy phase, guys. And for some of you all, you may feel inspired by things happening around you, certain situations, or this person, your person, they may be the reason for this inspiration. Or you may feel some kind of guidance in your life, some kind of intuitive guidance. You may have a gut feeling about things, or you may see certain things manifesting just like you thought. So you would have thought it would happen that way, and certain things may happen. So something is working through your intuition. You are feeling that guidance, and things are coming to a happy conclusion, guys, today. Just like I said, it may be regarding this relationship, or it may be something with your work. So some projects or something, some important deals that may be concluding in a happy way. So that is the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, this may be a karmic cycle, being with this person. You would have felt the way they talk, or the way they are, something very familiar about them, even at the first time you met them. So that just shows that this person was there with us in our previous life. So something very familiar about them, and we instantly connect with them. We have that deep connection with this person. So this may be what you feel about your person, or what they feel about you, guys. So that is also the energy here. And so with these cards, the energy is that Cancer, some major improvements are happening in your life, in your work life, as well as your personal life. So major changes, some happy changes are happening. Something very lucky is coming your way. So this person may accept your proposal if you are going to propose to them. If you are already in a relationship, you may get engaged and plan for a wedding. If you are going towards someone new, maybe they may accept you, and they may they may be open to romance, guys. They will accept you instantly. So that is the energy here, Cancers, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.